Let us go and install Python 3 on Windows and on Linux. To install Python on Windows, go to your browser and then type here python.org. Then go to the downloads, and here you see all the options here. Download the latest version for Windows, because now I am using a Windows operating system and it automatically detects that it is a Windows operating system. Here you have the list or overview of all the releases. Click on download Python 3.11.2. Python has installer for Windows and macOS, and on Linux you can install Python from source using your terminal. We will use that. Double click on executable file that you downloaded. You have installed now. Customize installation. Here you have two options. Use admin privileges when installing py.exe, and then add Python.exe to the path, which is good to add the Python to the path so that you can use Python in your terminal. Let us see what is inside the customized installation. Here are optional features that you can enable or disable. The documentation, it is good to have. Pipe, you need to have pipe library. The pipe library is for managing, installing and installing other libraries and Python packages, and this one is optional. I don't need that. Python test set, and then Python launcher for all users requires admin privileges. No problem, I want to install it for all users. And then advanced options, install Python for all users, and then associate files with Python require the Py launcher, and then create shortcut for installed applications. Add Py to environment variable, which is good to have. Recompile standard library, it helps that your program works faster. Customize install location. So let's go and install. Setup was successful, so let's check it. Go to your terminal and then type here Python, and then you see here Python 3.11.2, and now you can type here any Python code and it will do that. For example, print thank you for liking the video, and just thank you for liking the video. Installing Python 3 on Linux Ubuntu. Jump to your browser, then go to python.org, then go to the downloads. Here you have looking for Python with different operating system, Python for Windows, Python for Linux, macOS and other. Click on Python for Linux, and then here you have list of stable releases and pre-releases. We go for the stable release. Download one of these packages. I download the first one. Go to your download folder. Here you have the source file. We can extract this file here and then install it. Extract it here, and here we have the source file. Open your terminal in this folder. open in terminal. First we need to update all packages. Sudo update. Now run the command make test to check. Sudo make install. Sudo make install. This is make file install error. Let's see what if it is done or not. Python not found. Python3. And here we can write Python code like thank you for subscribing. And thank you for subscribing. 4 plus 5 9 and then to quit. Let's run quit. So we successfully installed Python3 on Linux Ubuntu. You can also install Python3 directly using sudo apt install Python3. It will also install.